All right, guys. Today I'm going to be creating a small charcuterie board. It's going to have sweets, fruits, and not so sweet. So, guys, I have some oranges, I have cucumbers, cheese, grapes, and some snap peas. I also bake some peanut butter cookies. So, guys, I want to start by getting this fruit ready, and when I'll do that, I'm gonna come right back with you guys. This is the open collaboration called the ultimate spring wood serving open collaboration, guys. So it's open for everyone to participate, and this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah, Cabassa Home Living, and At Home with Lisa. Guys, I will link everybody's channel in my description box below so you guys can go and check them out. And if we have some co-hosts, I will link everybody in my description box below. So guys, I'm getting ready here to set this up. Oh, and by the way, I also bake a cake. So I'm just going to set the fruits and the vegetables here. Then I will place everything on the table and I will show you what it looks like. I'm having company coming, so this is why I am doing this, guys. So we're going to have some tea and we are going to have a few bites. I was going to make sandwiches, but I made dinner. I made barbecue ribs and yellow rice. So I think I have plenty of food. My hands are sanitized, washed and sanitized. So guys, you know, and if you like, you could wear gloves when you say you should charcuterie board, but I do not wear gloves because I don't have any. But a good soap and water is the main thing. Guys, I love cucumbers. So I'm going to peel my orange and set everything, set my other veggies, and then I'm going to show you a little bit of progress as I go along, guys. Yeah, guys, now I'm cutting some cheese. I'm not going to cut it all at once because I don't like food to be sitting. So as everything starts finishing, I cut some more. I have big knives and I'm just using a little knife. I don't know why I'm doing it like this, but it's still gonna get sliced. It's still going to sit on the tray, and it's still going to be eaten. So yeah, guys. I don't know, you guys can see from there. Yes, you guys can see from there. Okay, that's that. Also going to peel my orange. Just gave me a little hard time to. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Now we got it. Oh, let me turn you guys down. Hold on. I hope you guys are doing good. Here in the Cabassa household, we are doing great. My daughter is doing much better. I always say thank you for all of those that pray for her. This is a tricky part, to get this separate without getting all the juice out of them. Oh, this one was easy. Thank goodness. You know, I know a lot of people like to see serve meat in their charcuterie board. I like to serve veggies and fruits. I mean, I also serve meat depending the occasion. But I think in the springtime with some flavored tea, I think um, veggies and vegetables and fruit is best. It's healthier as well. So I'm going to continue this. Well, I might as well keep you guys here. I think you guys can see from there what I'm doing. I also, like I say, I bake a cake. So, guys, have you guys ever, I don't know, you guys ever tried this? I know you guys cannot see my face right now, but it's okay. I want you to guys see what I'm doing. Have you guys ever tried to take a piece of orange and sprinkle a little bit of salt in it? Guys, it is so good. I'm telling you, it is so good. I learned that when I was pregnant with my children. Well, this one came open. That one is a big one. So that one is going to be a treat for me before my company gets here. All right, guys, I'm gonna grab my grapes and I'm going to wash them. I also want to start getting this stuff out of the sink. I think you guys can see from there how it's coming along. We'll bring you guys a little closer. See, that's how it's everything coming along. So maybe I put some salami in here. I don't know. I'm not sure. But let's see. Let's see. All right, guys. Let me get rid of this trash and I'll bring you guys right back. All right. These ones that I have here, guys, I take this one with tea. These ones are delicious. I don't know if you guys can see them really good. I got those. I don't know you have a price right where you at, but I get this a price right. They are such a delicious biscuit, guys, with your tea. Oh my goodness. Guys, let me bring you guys close now. Since I'm not using the sink anymore, I think you guys can see from there. Let me turn you guys up. Yeah, I don't know you guys can see what I'm doing. But yeah, guys, these are delicious. So I'm going to finish serving this and then I will show you where I'm going to place it. So, and there only comes 9 biscuits in a pack, so I have 6 left and they are so good, guys. They are so good. All right, I'm going to pause you for a minute. I'm going to clean a little bit of mess that I have here from the raspberries, and then we are going to continue, guys. Guys, I am almost done. Now I gotta get my walnuts, and that's gonna be it, guys. That's it. Just my walnuts, and that's going to be it. I will show you in a second everything that I did. for my get together. Guys, you could put something so easily together for you and your friends or your family. And it's something that everybody is going to enjoy, guys. So you know what? Since I have it on my table, I'm going to turn on all my candles and show you around the table. How about that, guys? Yeah, let's do that. All right, guys, are you ready? My table is done. I still have apples and other different fruits, but I am not going to cut them now, just in case everybody gets enough food after they eat dinner. So, guys, this is my. Let me help you guys. This is my charcuterie board. I have kiwis, frosted strawberries. I have raspberry, sweet peas, oranges, cucumbers, grapes, my biscuits that I bought from the stores, and these are my famous, delicious peanut butter cookies. Here I have walnuts, and of course I have my coffee pot and a vanilla cake with homemade frosting. Guys, this is it. This is it. So I hope you like what I put together for you guys. I know everything looks delicious. So guys, let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys. One more round, one more round, one more round. Look at that. I know my company is going to enjoy it. I know I am, and my family is, and I know my friends are as well. All right. God bless you all, guys. Bye bye.